Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make the perfect akara, also known as beans cake. So the first thing you're going to do is to start off by peeling your beans. I recommend you use warm water. Let the water be a bit hot to soak your beans. You're going to soak the beans for at least a minute. Let it not exceed a minute, because this way it's going to be easy for you to peel. So after a minute of soaking the beans, you're going to start off by rubbing the beans, and the skin will easily come off. So when you're done with that, you're going to use your sieve to drain the water out, and repeat this process at least 3 times until you get a clean beans. So when you're done peeling your beans, you're going to blend. So be very careful when you blend the beans for your moi moi. You're going to add a little bit of water and more of onion, because you know onion has water also. So you don't want it to be too watery, you don't want it to be too thick. So keep it in between. Add water bit by bit, then you're going to blend it until you get a smooth paste.
Until the very last hour, we still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna.
So when you're done blending your beans, you're going to mix that up. Then you're going to add some spring onion. I find the spring onion very good in akara. It takes the taste to another level, so you should try it out. Then heat up your pan with some oil, and you're going to deep fry the akara. Make sure your oil is not too hot. So basically what I did is I add a little bit of akara in the oil to see if it's too hot. When it's too hot, just bring it down for it to get cold. Then you're going to fry the akara, then fry it until it's golden brown, then flip the other side for it to cook more. Then your akara is ready, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.